On September 22, Appearance is Justice, Haval Raptors Square Box Renovation Party kicked off at 751 D-PARK Locomotive Plaza in Beijing. At the event, 11 cars modified by Haval Raptor in different styles such as Polar Crossing, Dragon Air Force, and Blue and White National Style were present together. At the Powerful Modifications Night live broadcast conference, the personalized rights of Haval Raptors users were officially introduced. The launch of multiple rights allowed ordinary people to realize their off-road dreams and off-road people to realize their modification dreams. Appearance is Justice, 11 radically modified models introduced. The Haval Raptor has insight into users' desire to reject the ordinary and live a personalized car life. In this party of personality and imagination, Haval brought 11 Haval Raptor modified cars in different styles. These 11 radically modified models with different styles have also attracted many celebrities to watch and take photos. No matter how they look, they are all modified blockbuster models with full aura. Many experts shared their portraits and ideas at the event, and professional drivers commented on the Raptor's challenging performance. Haval Motors has also carefully prepared exciting events such as modified-themed cosplay and radical modification creator market. Many friends who attended the event said, amidst laughter, "It's a great feeling to be able to play and chat with such great cars and wonderful people." As the modification culture has taken root in China in recent years, more and more young people like to modify their cars to make them unique. For them, car modification is a perfect way to express themselves and their personality. Haval Raptor, a new energy off-road SUV, has a good modification gene of square box plus off-road. In terms of appearance, the Haval Raptor adopts the new hardcore design language. The air intake grille adopts the shape of parallel straight lines and is decorated with rivets, supporting quick replacement. Depending on usage needs, the roof rack can also be modified and a side ladder can be installed on the side of the body. There are two versions of an external spare tire and a small school bag in the trunk. Haval Raptor leaves a lot of room for users' imagination at the level of terrain modification. At the design level, Haval Raptor has created a square appearance, which also pioneers the new off-road trend and the fierce spirit of aggressive conquest. The power system consists of a 1.5T hybrid special engine, front drive module, rear drive module and power battery. The NEDC pure electric range is up to 145 kilometers, and the comprehensive range with full fuel and full power is close to 1,000 kilometers. It offers a perfect solution for difficult time travel after modification. Battery life is guaranteed. In terms of off-road configuration, Haval Raptor is equipped with a mechanical gear lock with 7 driving modes. You only need to change the mode with one click according to the road conditions, and you can drive freely on all roads.